What have I done? Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. This is my new acquisition, and this is day one. I'm having some problems with the mic on the camera, so I'm doing a voiceover here. You'll see what the problems are in a minute, but yeah, this is it. 6-cylinder. As you saw in the first clip, small rear window. So some of you may know this. It's 67 model, kind of unique, no side markers, and it needs a lot. Yeah, it needs a lot, but I'm going to take you through it. There's lots of expert videos out there showing the expert way of doing it. This is going to be someone who has never welded a day in their life, a minute in their life. So first thing, yeah. So for 5 quatloons, you can convert a terrible idea into a good idea. Minus to minus, I suppose. Plus to plus. Get your Saskatchewan socket set on there. You don't want to snug that too much, but it's some pretty soft metal. You probably don't want to touch these two either. We'll avoid that today. Done. By some miracle, the battery hold down is still in this truck. Clean. No. Yes. Everything's got a good base coat of rust, so nicely covered, well treated. Not quite what I was hoping for. Okay, we got that figured out, secured. Is this gonna fit? No, of course not. It's too short. Oh boy. Oh. In one hand. Shouldn't hurt. That's probably the vent there, right? One of these. Less choke? What do you think? Hey, I'm back again. So problem here, ooh, that was a big backfire. Problem is it needed maximum choke, and I didn't figure that out for probably a good 2 minutes here on the video. So you're just gonna see the same thing, me trying to fight with this carb, and it's actually not set up too bad. Just Someone just has to know what they're doing. So I'm giving it more choke, but it needs a complete 100% choke. Cold day, it will start flying. But keep watching. Well, she'll go. Too much or not enough choke? I'm not seeing. Not seeing fuel. Another problem here is I'm fighting with the ignition. You can't see it, but as soon as I kind of bump the dash, there's a loose wire in there, and it's cutting out. So it's running, it's starting, it's cutting out, and again I didn't figure that out right away, but. Another minute or two. Wait for the suspense. Just the right amount. Dang. No, no, no. Okay, you get the point. Well, calling her a day. It runs. But this is my list so far. I gotta go in on the confuser and start ordering parts and get this reliable. Get this so I can use it, drive on the street safely. Yeah, consider subscribing if you want to be. Oh, I need an antenna. If you want to follow along, I'll keep you in the progress. I don't know if you can see, winter is falling down. Maybe that's not coming on, but leaves are sure falling, and we'll keep going. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Appreciate it.